Manufacturing is the backbone of our economy. Yet it faces relentless challenges. Every day, industries must balance efficiency, safety, and reliability because the cost of failure is high. Unplanned downtime, catastrophic failures, and safety risks are more than just inconveniences. They are threats to businesses, livelihoods, and even lives. At KCF Technologies, we understand the weight of these challenges, but we also know there is a better way.
The immediate long-term benefit that comes to mind is just overall better reliability and maintenance of our equipment.
They were maintenance experts who had 30 years experience, and I respect a lot for who they are and what they bring. But here is a technology that is disrupting. Here is a technology that is not traditional, and it's really providing very effective means of condition-based monitoring.
The key to solving these challenges lies in data. Predictive maintenance powered by real-time insights transforms the way industries operate. By monitoring machine health at scale, companies gain a critical advantage. Understanding the root causes of failure before they happen and taking action to prevent them. Our customers are proving that with the right tools, data can drive decisions that keep machines running, production flowing, and employees safe.
Having a robust data source is critical. Without having a robust data source, there's nothing. We can believe this data, and we can take actions off of this data.
One of their team members on the floor who was really passionate about the opportunity for PDM went through and did a failure mode analysis and determined what are the component level items on this machine that can break down and started implementing KCF sensors.
We started small and we are scaling as we go. And as we are integrating more sensors and taking advantage of machine learning, it will provide us deeper insights over processes, making process changes.
With data-driven insights, industry is shifting from reactive firefighting to proactive machine health management. The results are undeniable. More uptime, fewer failures, and a workforce empowered with the right information at the right time. The impact isn't just operational, it's transformational. Businesses are catching failures before they escalate, improving efficiency, and upskilling their workforce to focus on what matters most.
We're getting a lot more catches because the guys aren't having to diagnose it. It's telling them we're much more responsive, and we're getting 4 times as many catches as we used to.
That's where KCF comes into play. KCF really offered blind spot assistance. Right before we merged into another car on the highway, they have a light that's going up, it's alerting us it's there. And we continue to grow in this partnership.
Our teams want to fix their pain points. Our teams want to address what is going wrong. They know what it is, so give them the opportunity to do that. Give them the tools and resources or other forms of lean training so that they know and they can work their plan. If we continue to address and fix the root causes, our plants will transition into doing maintenance and not repairs, which is always the goal.
The value of that with KCF has basically been upskilling our plant. It's as if we have added multiple excellent vibration technicians to our organization because they're no longer wasting time walking around with a box in their hand. They're spending more time thinking about the troublesome assets amongst the hundreds and thousands of assets that we have, and they're spending time thinking about the most important pieces.
This is the future of manufacturing, a future without unexpected breakdowns, costly repairs, and last-minute scrambles. At KCF Technologies, we are not just selling sensors and software. We are redefining what is possible in industrial reliability. Our customers are proving that with the right data and the right partner, peace of mind is achievable. Because when machines run smarter, businesses thrive, employees stay safe, and everyone gets to go home knowing they made a difference.
I can't thank KCF enough. It's been a great relationship. The amount of attention that we get, for being a small operator, if you will, I can't thank you guys enough that the amount of attention that we get, the support that we get, and it's been a great marriage of 2 companies working together, and I look forward to more of it in the future.
We embrace proactive and predictive maintenance. So the alignment between KCF and CMC was very apparent very quickly.
Some of our plants that were wanting to move forward with PDM were struggling to get their leadership in their facility to spend the money. It got down to this question of return on investment. So the more we could show this cost avoidance and these win cases, we started to get more and more traction with our leadership. As a whole, our maintenance store folks have just found a great partnership with KCF.
Some suppliers, when you ask them a question, are going to send you an invoice and look for a PO before they take a phone call, right? And so that is not the type of partner we prefer to work with. You know, mutual benefit says that we'll pick a partner at scale because they make sense, and you know, we'll have a good service relationship, and we have that with KCF.